What's up, folks? Mechanic Gone Rogue here. Today, I'm tackling a quick job on my 2016 Volkswagen Golf, replacing the cabin air filter. Now, a lot of people know about engine air filters, but not as many realize there's a second filter cleaning the air inside your vehicle, the cabin air filter. It's usually tucked away somewhere inside the car, not under the hood. On this Golf, we've got to drop the glove box to get to it. There are little stoppers on the sides. Press them inward, and the whole thing will drop down. Pro tip, take your stuff out first, unless you want it to fall all over the floor. With that out of the way, you'll see a little plastic cover. Using a flathead screwdriver here does the trick. Pop the tabs, remove the cover, and there's your filter. This filter has an arrow showing the direction of airflow, so be sure to match that up when you install the new one. Let's check out the old filter. Yeah, that's pretty gross. Definitely time for a fresh one. Slide the new one in and reclip the access panel. Lift up the glove box and you're golden. And that's it. Easiest one of the day. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more, and leave a comment if you got any questions. I'll see you in the next one. MGR signing out.